AluGlobus, your leading brand for fences, gates, and wall cladding, from individual tubing, hardware, or even universal kits to build sliding gates or any project fence you have in mind.
Así es, en AluGlobus, esta es la parada donde tenemos todo para usted, para los gates, también para sus fences, también para, wall cladding, que son los recubrimientos de paredes, todo el aluminio de la mejor calidad.
And individual hardware, we have the best hardware in the market. From hinges, there's a little bit here. That's not all what we got, but V-track, wheels, hardware, special brackets that we create with our machines, and to make sure you have all the kits. So for contractor, what's important? Not to have just a fence kit. To have a fence kit that goes well with the gate, that is optimized to build a bigger gate if he needs to in the future, wheels, V-tracks, and components that will help him finish the project in one vendor. Contractor wants everything in one umbrella, and that's what you got in AluGlobus. And keep in mind, we got vinyl, composite, aluminum, and aluminum that looks like wood to create project for any budget.
Así es, tenemos toda la ferretería que necesita para los contratistas, para todos ustedes. Y bueno, tenemos vinil, composite, todo lo que tenga el look de madera, todo lo tenemos aquí en AluGlobus Fence.
If you're a contractor or a DIYer, we'll build the gate for you, A to Z, just like these gates that are ready to roll for tomorrow. Day by day, we build for contractors upon their sizes. That way you don't need to spend your money on a shop or any special tools.
Contratistas y DIYers, nosotros aquí ensamblamos todo para que esté listo para usted, así que usted no tiene que perder su tiempo ensamblando nada de esto, lo hacemos para ti.
Right, let's roll upstairs to the showroom so you can see and kind of feel what you're getting.
Vamos al showroom.
Right, so now we're entering the showroom, the mini showroom of all of our styles that we have. So this table, you're going to be able to come grab as a contractor or a DIYer your samples that you like, so you can go show it to your customers or show it to whoever is deciding on the project, architect or whoever is helping you decide.
Y aquí estamos en el showroom para mostrar, aquí tenemos las muestras que puedes mostrar al contratista o al DIYer para que puedan elegir cuál es el estilo que les gusta más.
All right, so we got on the wall here a couple styles. We have our Alu 40 and 15. We got our wood grain. That is not wood. That is aluminum, and it's so beautiful and it has no maintenance whatsoever. Then we're going into another wood-like aluminum that has a different variation, combining with our bronze 20 slat. Going into our 40, 15, and then we got our 50 TNG. One of the strongest slants in the market, possibly the strongest. You can come and test the gauge and do your research. Then you got 6 inches HD USA. This is very, very, very popular and super strength too. This is our 6-inch slat combined with our 20. Falling through here into our composite. We got our 3rd gen composite here. We recommend it more for fences and not for gates because it's very heavy and you don't want to put this on a gate. Your gate's going to sag really fast. All right, so falling into our budget-friendly vinyl in our wood-like aluminum, we're a heavy-duty gates that you're able to do any lock. Check this out. Nice, so nice. The yells are beautiful. Then you have a pull safety gate, very heavy-duty. This is our contractor line. You also have the universal system, and I'll show you it in a minute. This is our custom powder coating. Right here, if you go back with the camera, you'll see our TNG aluminum that looks like wood. This is super strong. There's 2 combination of colors. That's Ipe and Teak, we call that. And then from here we have a custom powder coated hammer tone. Really nice for some custom projects. You have the heavy duty gate. We show you an aluminum gate that you can slam. AluGlobus has it. Then you have the universal system. Universal system, you're able to put any of our slat systems into it. Vinyl, composite, aluminum that looks like wood. Comes with a pivot hinge assembly included in the kit. You have side post that has an L and a gasket for bumper and a gasket bumper on the door itself. Beautiful system, and it comes with a gate lock that is pre-drilled for you to just plug that lock in there. That is what AluGlobus has to offer, but we can show you here real quick some of our hardware here. Look at this. We got wheels, C-tracks, stopper, screws, plugs, brackets, hinges, cane bolts. Look at this massive cane bolt. You're not going to find this anywhere. And then look at this beauty. Guide rollers that you can't see the rollers from the side. Super HD USA aluminum post. This is for your heavy duty gates so they don't never sag. And for wall toppers, we create this with our machine shop and we build 4-inch plates. They're so beautiful and they're so useful for wall toppers. So You're a contractor or a DIYer and you're looking for a supplier for your projects or for one of your projects, you're at the right spot. We're giving you projects that fit every budget, keeping everything under one umbrella, from hardware, designs, elements, combination. You can combine every slat you see in this video in our universal systems, and you can create massive, massive sliding gates, and we can ship nationwide. What a beauty. Let me get that in Spanish.
Bueno, somos como una tienda que tiene todo para ustedes, para sus cercas, para las puertas, para material de composite y de vinilo también, y todo lo que parezca de madera. Aquí tenemos todo para ti.
And don't forget, contractors, we have our program. It's for you. Sign up. You're getting exclusive products, exclusive deals and discounts, and help by Zoom meetings, or even get subbing you a contractor to help you get that job done. So AluGlobus, one umbrella, and we mean it.